What's up, you guys? So today I might be going to my cousin's house. So guys, I know you guys think I'm cringy or something like that, but I want to be famous when I grow up. I'm not trying to make y'all like and subscribe. I'm just saying, I really want to be famous. Can y'all make that happen? If you don't, you don't have to. But I will hit y'all back up when I'm on the way to my cousin's house, because my dog sleep, my sister sleep, I'm awake, my brother is awake, my brother's friend is awake, my other sister is asleep, my mom is asleep too. Maybe my dad, he don't live with us, but that's okay because I've got over it. He hasn't been calling at all. I gotta call my TT at 3:30. It's just a lot going on. Guys, even though you don't like my videos, I love you guys. Y'all must not know me. So my name is KK/Kayana because I just said my nickname. Hey, comment what y'all gonna sound like. Mine sound like I'ma swerve and I'm gonna roll.